What to do if you failed your engineering class and you got kicked out of university? You would be surprised by how many engineers get kicked out of university for failing classes. It's very common for engineers to have low grades, especially in the first 2 years. It's not rare for the guys with high grades in high school to barely pass courses in university. University engineering courses are hard, and you will be required to study most of your free time. And if you don't, you might find yourself failing. From what I know, most universities will put you on probation if your GPA for the year drops below 2. After you are put on probation, you cannot fail any courses, because if you do, you'll also be suspended from university. That's why it's a good idea to switch to a different degree if you feel that you cannot handle the entire engineering course load. And yes, it's one of the most challenging course loads in university. Most people who start to fail engineering switch to geosciences, economics or business. But what to do if you actually got kicked out of university? It's not a good position to find yourself in, but there are still things you can do to get a good job and earn decent money. First of all, you should calm down and realize that life is not over, and you'll be fine. There are thousands of people in your shoes, so you are definitely not unique. I actually have a few friends who were kicked out of the university, and what they did was to go to college and get a diploma in engineering technology. Yes, engineering technology is not engineering, but you can still make similar money, maybe even more if you decide to work on a field. Later, after you worked for a while, you might try to apply back in university or go to a different one to get your degree in engineering. However, most engineering technologists never go back to university because salaries are high, and after you get some experience you can do more or less the same job most engineers do, except that you will not be able to sign documents or use engineering stamp. Obviously there are other options, such as going to work on an oil rig, opening your business or going to another university. From my opinion, working on a rig might be a good idea, because you will have some advantages in getting a job, since you have some university education. Oil rig workers usually make lots of money, and if you get a job there, you'll be able to pay back your loans and save some money to open your own business in no time. Also remember, many of the world's richest people never went to university, or they dropped out before actually getting a degree. So you'll be fine. And I think if you're smart, you'll be okay without college degree, though you might have to work harder for the first few years.